Thank you so much for getting my bags back.
We aim to please.
Do you have my booking, Yamamoto?
How do you spell that, please?
Yamamoto.
Here we are. That's a suite on the 24th floor with a lovely view of the park.
Great.
And we're connecting the computer, fax machine, and extra phone in your room right now.
Very good. Here's my card. Can you tell me the hotel phone and fax numbers, please?
Of course. The hotel phone is area code 617-437-1890. Your fax number is 617-437-1888.
617-437-1888. Thank you.
Your card and your key, Mr. Yamamoto. Room 2422. Carl? Carl, that way.